NASDAQ this week has risen in value, and we can see that the price was trying to make a bullish breakout, then returning back down, and then finally on Wednesday the price formed a strong bullish breakout above to 1544. And we can see after that, the next day, the price has confirmed this bullish breakout as a valid one, and then the price continued to rise in value on a Friday, reaching 21872.12. We can see that price level. And then on the weekly time frame, we can see that it is closed as a bullish candle, which means the bulls are still much more stronger than the bears, and the price has returned back inside this uptrend channel, which is a great information for the bulls. A monthly time frame shows me a bullish candle, so it is middle of the month. I do not have too much information right here available. Let's go to the daily, which shows much more clean informations. Now, based on the daily time frame, we can see that the price is trying to make higher price levels. So this is something that I'm currently expecting to see the price to do, especially on the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame, where I'm watching closely how the price behaves and also acting accordingly. When the price makes a bullish breakout or bearish breakout, I also act accordingly and also follow the market. How the market will react, we'll see on the next week. But currently, I am more oriented to see the price reaching higher price levels than it is going back down, reaching this area of support at the 21544. Very important level for the price on this area is this one here, 21756. 21756 is very important because the price has formed a small support level right here. If it is broken, for example on the 4-hour time frame where I'm currently at, this will be the next support level at 21673, and if it goes below, we can see that the next will be 21544 as a support level. Now this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.